Okay, I think we've just got across to these live images right now. This is from the NCB office, and I think that is the IPS Sanjay Singh, who's now going to be heading the investigation into a lot of high-profile cases. I think he's speaking to the media. Let's see if we are able to hear absolutely anything. Okay, I don't think we have a reaction yet coming in from Sanjay Singh, who's now arrived at the Mumbai NCB office. This is a story, remember again, that Republic not just broke, but Republic got you the right side of the story. Why there was a need for the Delhi team right now to coordinate with its Mumbai counterpart, and also why you needed a bigger team. Because the cases that the team is working on, remember again, has extremely important international connections. Also the reason why the team said it is extremely pertinent right now to look at a larger gambit of a team working together. So this is the central NCB team right now that is taking over 6 important cases. Yasha, one more important story that's breaking in from Mumbai right now. Yasha, will we have absolutely anything to hear from this new team that is now going to be taking in charge of the entire cases from here on? Is there any word that we have officially from the agency so far?
So, Deepti, in fact, the agency had said that as of now, it is Sameer Wankhede who's still the zonal director. He'd be assisting the new team which is coming in for the case. And there are 6 cases that they have spoken about which have been transferred to this new team because clearly it's been mentioned that these 6 cases are cases of international and national importance. That includes the Aryan Khan case, the Sameer Khan case, and the cases of Mumra as well, and also the Iqbal Kaskar case. So these are among the 6 cases which the new team will be looking at. There'll be 6 officers would be coming in. Each of them would be looking at one case each. The files would be handed over. The files of these cases would be handed over, and the handover will happen by the investigating officer, because these are cases of national importance is where we understand that the cases would be looked at by the new team. But as of now, when they resume is not really sure. The entire team has flown in today. Approximately 4 to 5 officers have come in. We also see that the DDG Gyaneshwar Singh would also come in on Monday, and this is where on Monday there will be an important development taking place, because they would also continue with the NCB SCT which was deployed. Now this NCB SCT was deployed on the basis of the extortion allegation against Sameer Wankhede, but a clear word had come in from the NCB headquarters yesterday, wherein they said that it is just these cases which are being transferred. There's no one who's being removed, and we had seen that when Sanjay Singh, who's now handling this Aryan Khan case, landed in Mumbai this afternoon, he said that no one's being removed. They will take over the charge of these cases from the concerned officer, which is why they're at the NCB office right now to take over the documents, to take a brief of what the entire case is, because we see that ever since the Aryan Khan case began, there have been a lot of controversies that have been that have cropped up with respect to the Narcotics Control Bureau as well, and which is why there are 2 teams which are now looking at it. There are 2 teams from Delhi who would be in Mumbai. One is the NCB SCT team, as well as the new team of the officers who would now look at the other 6 cases. Yes, Deepti.
Yes, Yasha, stay with me. Sanjay Singh had spoken to the media just a little while earlier. We are playing out that reaction now.
We have taken over a group of 6 cases. We have already issued a statement last night, so I have nothing more to add.
सर
as of now,
समीर वानखेड़े के भी
लगाए गए हैं यहाँ पे, क्या उनका सहयोग भी लिया जाएगा पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान?
he is JD Mumbai. He definitely हम लोग उनका पूरे जोन का असिस्टेंस लेंगे.
सर पर अभी तक जो जांच हुई है उसका फिर से एक बार री इनपुट आपकी तरफ से?
As of now, we have to first take over the cases and then only